So you talked about hard money lenders. Just curious, I'm starting to see hard money loans freeze up. Have you started to see that?
Yeah, and I'm a hard money lender, and we're stockpiling cash.
Gotcha.
And I think that's going to be true for just about everybody in the country right now.
Gotcha.
Is whatever cash is coming in, we're going to want to save.
Yes.
My guess is, though, right now we're just saving it just kind of through the health crisis, because during the health crisis, really nothing is going on.
Gotcha.
And we want to know what the economic is going to be effect after the health crisis is over. And because we don't know that, that's why a lot of cash lenders are holding on to the cash. Now, that doesn't mean they're not out there. They are still out there. They are still lending. I think that the criteria is just going to be a little bit different.
Got it.
And it is a short-term thing right now.
Yeah.
We hard money lenders, we want our money out there working, because that's how we earn income. So we want to get it out there.
Yes.
It's just sort of a little bit of a wait and see, just for a few weeks, just to kind of see how this is really going to play out, how long it's going to be. But there's definitely kind of a stockpiling of cash reserves. And then that also tells us what kind of financial position we are in.
Got it.
If I get all my loans back, I can stockpile it. Like, okay, here's what I've got. Here's what I need. Here's how long I can last. And then here's how much I can loan out.
Right.
And then we can start making the loans again. So I think that market will kind of rebound fairly quickly as soon as we get a better handle on what's going on.
Okay. Got it. Okay, perfect. I think we have time for about one more question.
Perfect.
And if your sibling came to you, loved one, family member, somebody you really care about, or yourself, they say with every negative, there's a positive. With every recession, that's where most people have become millionaires in real estate. What are you doing right now personally to prepare if we go into something crazy negative to come out of it crazy positive?
3 pieces of advice. First, stay in tune and connected and informed.
Okay.
So really focus on education if you're in the real estate investing market. Or even if you're not, just stay informed, stay calm, and take care of yourself first.
Okay.
Because if you are healthy and motivated, you're going to have the same multiplier effect on others.
Got it.
So if you, Yoshi, are feeling good, feeling optimistic, feeling healthy, that's going to make your family feel better, healthier, happier, more optimistic.
Makes sense.
They're going to infect other people with that optimism, and so on and so on and so on.
Yes.
Okay, so focus on you, focus on your family, stay educated and informed. If you're an investor, you need to just shift modes, right?
Yes.
If you're lucky, this is what I do, this is all I do, and you could get stuck because what you've been doing for the last 4 years no longer works.
Right.
So listen to experts, listen to those who've been around for a lot longer, listen to how other people got through things. And most flippers are probably going to switch over to buy and holds.
Right.
And pick up rental properties because prices will come down. And a lot of investors have been waiting for this change in price.
Right.
We've been holding off on buying rentals because prices have been so high.
Yeah.
So it's about adapting.
Got it.
Staying informed, number one. Adapting, number two, and really being, I will say this, is being out for the common good.
Yeah.
Being part of a community that is helping each other as opposed to just yourself.
Wonderful advice. Thank you, Jeff. How can people get in touch with you if they wanted to reach out?
Yeah, they can call me at the office at 801-560-2180. The best way is just give us a call the office, and we're doing free consults with landlords and clients, on what to do during these times, or if you need anything, we're happy to help.
Wonderful, guys. And if you've missed any part of this show, and if you did, I highly recommend checking out our social media links, because this show will be posted on our YouTube channel probably on Tuesday, Wednesday. We have a weekend. Of course, we're on the weekend, so the editor won't get to this immediately, but by Wednesday, you can definitely check out our social media platform. Listen to this. Jeff gave amazing advice from a legal standpoint to hopefully benefit some of you out there who are in a position that's kind of sticky right now due to the COVID-19.
Yes.
So, Jeff, thanks again for joining me today.
Happy to be here.
I really appreciate it. And
staying our 6 feet apart.
Yes. And I hope everybody has a spectacular rest of the day.